Hello. Let me see. No. Okay. Okay, 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 okay.
Order placed. Order cancelled.
Yeah. Let's see what's happening here. Okay. So guys, if you're here, if somebody and I'm testing to stream. We can PA shit, so I'm back testing some stuff. Let's see. Okay. Let's see, first TP. First TP is here in POC. T-POC in the T-POC. Let's see if we get it. Come on. No way. But dancing on my TP1. Fuck these, bro. Dancing on my TP1, bro. No. Come on. Come on. Really? I'm recording this. Why I take the stop loss under here? Because we have this stacked imbalance. I don't wanna. If they got filled, they're gonna send this lower. So they're really good. That means that people they're buying here. They got stopped all these shorts. So yeah. And we need at least TP1. Come on, TP1. I don't like this nasty reaction. Yeah, the front running. Look, the front running point of control. Time poke. Yeah. I don't like this nasty reaction. Okay. Give some likes. If you guys are you here? What I like here, this sweep, this fucking nasty reaction, engulfs everything. We shouldn't go under these prices. We shouldn't go. If price, oh fuck this. If price continues to like crawl, it will go down. So I need closest here to see TP1 and last TP.
Order placed.
Here. Yeah. Devote. Nice. Hello. Give like if you want. And also, I need to start to close above this candle. You see how this reaction, this stacked imbalance reacted here? Really important. All this, we defended really hardcore. Because was the first fast move was this candle. This was the original candle that made the move. So yeah, that guys were the creators of the move. Let me see if I get TP1. Quiero comprometer y luego no poder. Dudo este mes cuando puedo bajar antes. Como tengo los temas del trabajo libre. Y con este mes me lo van a dar hasta 7. Come on. Give me TP1. Look this, bro. They're stuck in fucking orders here, bro. Yeah, speed of tape on in the shorts. Look, speed of tape. They're being aggressive. You see? You see how they're peeling shorts in. So now they're pressing, but they keep absorbing this price. So I need a pop. Give me TP1, and after TP1, if we pop this price, I'm going break even. Okay. So yeah, I wanna see aggression. Look, they're trying hard, but at least this liquidity up here. I think I would like they want this liquidity up here. This delta, you see, the 600s. If you go to the 600s, here was nasty, bro. This one, 600s. Look, this 5 million market short here. About before a 4 million market buy. This is a market short because
Order filled.
okay, TP1.
Order cancelled.
Okay, I'm break even. TP1. Sorry. This was market buying and this was market selling. So right side when it's going up is market. Left side when it's going down, bits are market. Okay. So you need to know this. So yeah, now we are break even. We are break even. So yeah, we are actually break
Order
even.
cancelled.
I will leave this here. And let's see if we get the rest. Yeah, my TPs now are... And see if we get it. Computar at Spanish. Sí, ¿qué miras antes de tomar un trade? Vale, te comento, yo tradeo order flow, ¿vale? O sea, vengo de tradear, soy un trader de order flow de IES, de SP500. Estoy muy metido ahora en prop firms y en tal, en Bitcoin, y lo tradeo igual. ¿Yo qué miro? Yo miro qué pasa el precio cuando swipea un nivel. O sea, prácticamente cualquier tipo de estrategia que utilicéis a la hora de buscar un trade en una zona. Pongamos el supuesto caso que buscáis este sweep, yo no entro justo en el sweep, espero que el precio me confirme, ¿vale? ¿Qué busco aquí? ¿Ves? Esta vela no me confirma nada. El POC, ¿vale? Sigue siendo... O sea, el POC está por debajo, pero no me confirma porque es la primera que ha roto. La segunda la veo, pero es roja. Tampoco me confirma nada. Te lo voy a apuntar aquí. Una roja, no. Roja, no. Pero me va gustando, dejan el POC por debajo. Segunda roja, deja el POC por debajo. ¿Qué pasa este engulfing candle? Un engulfing candle muy grande, ¿vale? Y es lo que quiero ver. En principio, si esta vela hubiese sido no tan grande, pero me hubiese sido primera verde y me hubiese dejado el POC, ¿vale? Me hubiese dejado el POC por debajo, sería mi vela de entrada, ¿vale? Entonces, una vez tengo esa vela de entrada, mi invalidación sería poner el stop por debajo de o las velas o incluso los POCs. No quiero que me revisete el último. Si esta vela fuera hasta aquí y fuera mi entrada, con que mi stop cubriera estas velas y debajo de estos POCs ya me basta. Entonces, ¿qué busco luego? Pues en este caso yo he visto esto, yo no había entrado aún, pero he visto, y luego he visto un retesteo, ¿vale? Que eran estas velas que estaban retesteando. Y esta vela me gustó, y esa es la que entré, ¿vale? ¿Qué pasa? Luego hemos tenido... Mi principal stop era debajo de estos stacked imbalance y lo he ido recogiendo, ¿vale? Pero me gustó porque hubo una recogida y no llegó a cerrar luego, por eso me quedé dentro, no llegó a cerrar delante, o sea, no llegó a rellenar todos estos imbalances de volumen. Estos son imbalances de volumen, ¿vale? Son un stacked imbalance, son 3 imbalances juntos en la misma vela. Eso es mucha fuerza, mucho volumen en una simple vela, ¿vale? Es lo que yo utilizo para tradear. Y lo que también digo, y lo explico en inglés porque estoy en un Discord con muchos traders y analistas de habla inglesa que tradean muy bien. Es un servidor de pago en el cual yo simplemente participo y ayudo, no es mío. Y cuando imparto las pocas clases que imparto ahí y que intento explicar mi manera de tradear, siempre lo digo. Cuando tradeamos con la tendencia, sí, muy interesante los stack imbalances. Para mí son mucho mejor que los imbalances de tiempo. Intento explicar siempre? Que contra tendencia el 1 a 1 es casi full TP y break even para mí. Todo el backtest que me he hecho es que cuando tradeas contra la tendencia, ahora mismo venimos de un delta súper negativo toda la sesión, ¿vale? Negative. No se aguanta la posición más de un 1 a 1. Yo ya he sacado parciales, yo ya estoy contento. Ahora mismo solo he dejado unos runners en el cual quiero irme en este stacked imbalance. Si lo llegamos a filear entero, que para mí sería un buen single print, imbalance tal, lo hemos intentado rellenar y que ha hecho al final, ha puqueado, y ha puqueado fuerte, ¿vale? Está habiendo bastante volumen. Hemos hecho una rotación en volumen hoy de un rango de precio bastante grande. $1.200 en un sábado, es interesante, ¿vale? Entonces ahora mismo mi trade sería tal que así. Yo ya estoy en break even, aunque una vez se me ha ido en mi favor, no dejaría que corriese aquí. Incluso podéis incluso intentar, muchas veces sirve también que, porque este trade perfectamente ahora me puede hacer un break even y me puede hacer esto. El trade puede llegar, sobrepasar este máximo, venir aquí, testear esto otra vez y subir, ¿vale? Pero yo ya estoy fuera. No me gusta aguantar esto porque muchas veces pasa lo mismo. O sea, aquí lo mismo. El que hubiese querido aguantar estos puntos de Fibonacci o lo que sea, le han reventado. Entonces yo no me quiero. Cuando está negativo el precio, rápido ATP y rápido. You guys are all Spanish or are English here? Because I also talk English every time. There were two guys that were Spanish. That's why I was explaining to them my trading style and what I look in order to get a trade. Also, to you guys here, a los que estáis aquí, esta plantilla de ATAS, el ATAS es free y es lo que utilizo yo para tradear, lo tengo gratis, ¿vale? Español, sí. La plantilla que utilizo para tradear en ATAS, con el DOM así. Esto es un tick chart de 300 ticks que lo utilizo muy bien para ver cómo está el precio andando, que se ve muy gráficamente con lo que serían las deviaciones de VWAP y los big trades. Esto es speed of tape, esto. Y luego aquí tenemos un 2000 ticks con open interest y delta, que va muy bien. Y aquí es un TPO chart para mirar TPOs con 2 meses de gráfica. Muy interesante estos levels. Si llegamos a mis TPs, igual que fue rápido aquí, irá rápido en esta zona también. Tenéis que entender eso. Pero estamos en contratendencia ahora. Like. Sí, darle like, darle like. Nice. Okay. If you are here, I speak Spanish and I speak English. So whatever you want to ask me, I'm gonna answer, okay? Anybody of you you trade your own phone or your own money. Tradeáis vuestro dinero, tradeáis profirms, que ahora mismo están muy de moda. Y la verdad que yo pienso que es una muy buena herramienta para capitalizaros. Quiero ver, a ver, ¿qué haría en este caso, vale, chicos? Ahora yo lo que voy a hacer, mira, y voy a cerrar un contrato, ¿vale? Esperar. Si me rompe...
Order placed. Order placed. Order filled.
Ok, cierro un contrato. ¿Por qué lo cierro aquí? Cuando te podría correr. ¿Por qué lo cierro aquí? Porque ya van 3 velas y incluso con esta puede ser que el POC lo dejan por arriba. Cuando dejan el POC por arriba, muchas veces es una señal mala de debilidad. Significa que están intentando y están dejando volumen alcista arriba. Eso es malo. Where are you from? I'm from Spain, Barcelona. O el Pyrenees, if you wanna be more exactly. Near to Andorra.
Order cancelled.
Dejamos esto break-even
Order
ya
cancelled.
y dejamos el resto. Vale, entonces es muy importante. It's really important. If you start seeing candles on a resistance here. Sí. On a resistance. Closing with the POC up the candle, go out. It's bad. Now we could have a retracement, so you will lose profits. For me, when I see this, I close. Cuando veo este tipo de reacción, ¿veis? Veo esto. Fuera. ¿Ok? ¿Ok? Como es un runner,
Order cancelled.
vamos a dejar y solo vamos a dejar el último. Por si suena la chamba. Sí, el poco arriba es absorción. Como lo que es absorption. Like Rednet said. Yeah. Poc arriba. The poc in the If we leave the POC above the candle, it's a really good sign of absorption. Sí. And yes, absorption. Espera, dame el poco de vela o atas o debes arreglarlo. A ver, mira. Okay, they asked me if my POC in ATAS is yes. My settings here are ready for cluster. Easy. So I have maximum level. I didn't change nothing. I just put this. I change the color and volume. Okay. Sometimes it's good. I know people that also use trades. It changed a little bit, but I prefer volume. Okay. This is my bit ask. Positive delta mode. Color scheme delta. And, y también cambio. Y luego cambio que sea a valor nominal. Ok. In visual, I change this. Volumen en USDT. Para ver millones. Y así yo veo aquí millones. Millones de volumen en una vela. And my tick rate 50. Perfect 50. I was testing about 25, 20, sometimes 10. 10 I don't like it. 10 gives me like too much thin data. Hello, Folies. Yeah, I have here, I don't know, Folies, if you're here, I have Spanish people. I'm trying YouTube. I don't know, Folies, if it works. It's my test of stream. And they were asking me questions in Spanish. My zones. Yeah. Okay. ¿Por qué lo tengo in one lot? Because I trade lots. Because I trade prop firms. I trade prop firms, and when I trade prop firms, I usually trade fixed lots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Depending on my stop size. Okay. So depends on my stop size. Que hablen de español. Mis hermanos. Yeah, now this trade is actually break even. I don't like this rejection. So if we close like this, we need candle close above. And we need acceptance here. Delta is going up. Open interest is going up, so they trying. Hoy el stream es español, ¿eh? Folies speaks in English, and I need to practice my English, guys. I know Spanish, you are here, you understand me, but I need to practice English if I want to work with Chrome a lot. I need to practice my English. Victor said that my English, I need to practice more vocabulary, so more English. I need to improve in my English. So yeah. I really like this move because what we see here, I've been studying a lot this type of moves, and this sweep was really interesting. They let a lot of volume here. Look this. Look this. We sweep this with volume. We tried again with volume. And if I go to EXO, I will see like they open shorts here. They tried hard, but this was a lot of stops getting hit. A lot of longs getting stopped here. That was this candle then. Phew. This stacked imbalance. Amazing. Amazing week. Amazing. I don't know. Folies, where are you from? Ah, nice, nice, nice follies. Nice follies. Thanks. Okay. You have any questions here about this, or any Spanish guys are asking questions about order flow and what to read when you see this type of movements? For me, I don't know. I feel sometimes really repetitive, but for me, seeing the moves happen and seeing what is happening on the price when we see this type of moves, I go to a chart and I really like to see what's happened. People say, we sweep here, okay, but what happened inside? And was a really textbook. This candle for me, no. First, no. Second, no. I would get triggered this one. So my stop, if I was here, my stop would be this candle. And they tried hard to get me if I was awake, but I was sleeping. That's why I entered late. But this was a really good candle because it closes really hard above POC. This candle retraced on this, going to this stacked imbalance. They reshorted, but then the next candle just fly. I think I'm going out on this deviation.
Order placed.
And I'm gonna change some phone also. Yeah, I'm going out on that deviation if we get it. If we get it. That's another thing, if we get it. Okay. Yeah. For me it's... Yeah. But what I like is what we talking before. Lo que me gusta es lo que hemos hablado antes. Engulfing candle esta era muy grande. And this was a really big candle. It was really good. Look how many stacked in balance, but it was really big. So if I was really waiting, this is my principle I showed on videos and I show on Chroma. Okay? And works really good on CME futures. But I've been testing in crypto and works okay. You know what works? The first candle you going up, your limit order. Okay, I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna close. I know my stops is break even already, so I don't care now. This trade I already did profit. So let me close this. Okay, and let me show you. If you limit order on the POC, but here was so big, so but it went. It only gone a little bit further, but it's perfect. Sometimes it's perfect, and in CME futures, if you're trading footprint, that retest, amazing. So what I do, I go here and I enter my limit long on the POC. My invalidation is the low of this candle, but was a really big long, and I was impatient. The truth, I entered higher because I was impatient, but this was the limit. This was the limit. The POC here, and then beautiful. So you have here, and you would have done already. Okay. Yeah, 150R for a reversal trade, but look what a enormous, but perfect to the tick, to the POC. That trade, that type of trade, I've been backtesting. When you got reversals, and it works more when it's little. So when you get in absorption and you see a little confirmation candle, but this was a huge candle. You get 1, 2. When you are here, and you see this, you say, oh no, bro, we did a fail auction. So to me, it's difficult, because here you have, fail auction, we're going down. But if you wanna try, I backtested, it works a lot. And your long trigger is engulfing candle, and next candle of the engulfing candle, you wait the next candle to reach to the POC. To this POC. And yeah, beautiful. And now would be a 1.5R. I'm break even. I want at least the upper deviation for this last lot. So what if, so would be first thing I should learn to trade with according to you? First thing, okay, understand delta, understand open interest. You need to understand that delta is, okay, you need to understand that is the percentage of buyers and sellers at a price, okay? Open interest are contracts opening on a price or closed. If we're going down, is that there are more closed contracts on this price. So this candle, in principles, yes. Delta and open interest, yes. And what happened in this candle? All this was stops from these shorts getting hit. Because you see, we're going up, delta is going up, and open interest is going down. Okay? So when you see this, you see delta going up, open interest going down. This candle is shorts covering. It's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing, okay? It's not, oh, it's gonna puke. No. Because next candle, it went up again. Where it went up? It tapped this initial stake balance that was the most traded volume that went here. They started here, but here was the first imbalance of the big move, okay? So you need to understand that type. First, delta. Second, open interest, okay? And then footprint. What does footprint? I'm gonna go for the basics because I'm really bored. I'm really done for the day. I'm happy. So I'm done today. So now I can analyze and speak with you guys, okay? Open interest, we said delta, now footprint, okay? Okay, bid, ask, okay? This side and this side, okay? So when price is going down, okay, price down, buyers bid, sell, ask, okay? Is the other way down. When we're going down, buyers are bidding, sellers are willing to sell forward. So when we're going down, sellers are selling down. They are accepting to sell lower in price. Market sell. This is market sells. All this market sell. Okay? And when we're going up, when price is going up, all this is buyers buying higher in price. They're market buying, so they hitting the ask. Buyers 8, 1, 3, 2, 3. Okay? Important. I'm answering, Brendan. I am answering now. You what yours. So it's really important to see the things the other way. Okay? Now we're going down. I don't care. I'm ready break even. I'm gonna get stopped. I'm actually stopped on MetaTrader. Yeah, I'm stopped. So I better close this.
Order cancelled.
Okay. So, wait. This also.
Order cancelled.
Stupid to have that on chart. Okay. When we're going down, these two things. Okay. Next things. Do you think inverting that last very stacked balance is a good trigger? What do you mean? So if we invert this one, This one? Yeah. If we close above here, we start closing, yeah, we're going up. Yeah, that's bullish. But what will be not bullish is we start closing candles like here. If this goes down and we start closing candles here, this blow will be taken because negative delta. It's really important to know that the big moves will go on favor. So what you need to know that big same delta. Okay? If delta is going up, pumps are easy. Easy. If delta is going down, short down prices, down movement is harder. Okay, it's easier for market to move harder down. Okay, so now we are negative. Delta is negative, minus 5k. Okay, delta is negative for the session. So it's easier for market. It's easier for market now to push this lower. Okay. I'm there. So is what you need to understand now. Any other question that you want to see here? And things that I really like here that I trade also that is really interesting. We're gonna end this. Is this type of retest. Usually, for me, it's bullish when we do these type of things. Like we tried, okay? And now, if we consolidate here, and we upset this price, and I see that we are accepting another little deviation, I'm going up. If I see a good delta crawling up, if I see delta going to -1 today, I will get along the end of the day, Asia session. But I need delta to crawl up a little bit. We are minus 5k. If this pukes like this, I'm not going low because it's more easy that we crawl down. So I need data. I need to see candle closes. For me, I trade 5 minutes, but for me, what's better for order flow for you, all of you guys, is you start trading the 30 minutes. 30 minutes is so easy to trade. And 30 minutes closing candles, this pattern I'm gonna show you. I don't know why it's loading so low. Ah, yeah, because I put 2 months. My 30 minutes chart has 2 months of data. Okay, here we have 30 minutes candles. For me, is the best, okay, for start trading order flow. It gives you a lot of data, gives you, here we sweep these high nodes, this stacked imbalance from the 18th. Yeah, from Monday 18th, we swept stacked imbalance. Amazing, eh? It's really hard, this. So now, for me, this is really good to read now. For me to be bullish, we need to hold now here. If this pumps, it pumps. But for me, we'll still be bullish if we start seeing this like this. Like we do a range here. And it starts to do like ping and go. That will be my trigger. I prefer long this, my invalidation here, than try to long here. For me, it's bearish if we start closing below this sweep. I don't like closing candles below. It's really important. It's something I'm really annoying sometimes. ¿Cuál es el tick size y imbalance per tenchet? Okay. Tick size, I use 50. Okay? 50. I've been testing everything. 25. I like 50 and 25. 100, no, because look, 100. It's so ugly. A lot of big... You lose a lot of information. Look, 100. It's a shit. You see? 100? Look. No, bro. This is not good. Not good. 100, no. 50. 50. 50, and then what you wanna see is stacked imbalance. Imbalance ratio 400. 400 sometimes. I also use 200. But 200 gives me so much stacked imbalance. Okay? I need, for me, is 400 is 4 times. 4 times. Okay? So 200 is 2 times. 2 times they are a lot. A lot. 2 times is a lot of data. A lot of stacked imbalance, and it's not real. This is not real. I need 4 times more than volume than normal, than the rest. So for me, 4 times is good. So I use 4 times. 4 times, imbalance range 3, imbalance volume 5. 400. Ignore zeros. Yeah. Ignore zeros is good also, because why you wanna get imbalance when it's a 0? Okay. So yeah. These two were really good, oh my god. So now it's a good sweep, eh? Nice zones. Yeah. For me, stacked imbalance is is something that changed my brain, because before I was trading like fair value gaps, like normal fair value gaps, and I didn't realize what was happening. So from Friday, from today, look how we reacted to this imbalance. They front ran it because you know crypto is not a efficient market, so you need to know that we have Bybit, Binance, OKX, or this, no? So you need to know that everything that's created on the market has a deviation, and sometimes they like to front run. But look these two imbalance we had here, how they reacted as resistance. But to the tick. So I was like, why should I trade normal fair value gaps like time imbalance and not volume imbalance, and not be more reliable where much volume of the candle is being created, the pop? Oh, they're going hard now. They're going hard. Look this candle. Look this volume here. They're going hard. So yeah, whatever. For me, it's really reliable. The POC, point of control, and stacked imbalance. For me, is my main thing I focus on. And levels. Also, I trade levels like everybody of you. Like I go volume profile. I use a lot this for me, and I implement this. So for me, TPO value areas are my levels. I go here, I mark my boxes on the chart. What the fuck happened here? I don't like this. What happened? Wait. Why is this color when it's blue? Sorry, I need to change this. I don't like when something goes wrong. What the fuck? Ah, amigo. Of course. Okay. Yeah. They're buying hard, eh? 300 delta now here. Okay, this is what I was saying. But for me, they can buy all these. They will go to deviation. I really like to trade deviations. So when we are extended of a deviation, usually, like, look this, guys. Can I show you what I mean? This is a VWAP deviation. I use two types. Usually in crypto, opening day, new VWAP from the day. Okay, because crypto is 24 hours, and for me, crypto, weekend, full day, when I'm trading regular hours, I trade Monday to Friday. I use also a VWAP from the 9:30 start of New York Open, okay? And I throw another VWAP, okay? But weekend, I daily. And I use it more daily than the other one. And usually when we trading a lot lower and we find value, here, we finding value. We find value. We usually deviate to the deviations. Okay? So, I don't know if it will happen now, but to the deviation, to the 980s, yes, 83s. So, yeah, I think these areas, these will get tapped. I don't know, today or at night. Because deviation, we find in here, we find in acceptation of this price. It's all about acceptance. You need to see market like different. Like this price, they couldn't upset price higher. So they tried. They couldn't upset price higher to go up. So we puked. And now we are finding acceptance here. If we find acceptance, we will go up. If we don't find any acceptance, we got low, and we're creating this type of we try, we will go down. It's all acceptance. So you need to see how price is being reacted here. And treat this like a range. Now we are in this range for this weekend. We deviated once. Good for bullas. But now we're trading this range. We're trading this range. Till we not accept here prices, we will not go these zones, this 83,600. And if we start closing candles here, we could go lower. Okay, so yeah, that's all now for now. Okay, this is what I like. This is what I don't like. Yeah, we sweep, but this is I don't like. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like. In order to be bullish now for this sweep, I like they start closing here. Okay. Longs atrapados. Yeah. Longs atrapados. Wait. Bueno, un poco. Un poco. Un poco. Pero no muchos. There's not much. Look this, bro. There are not much trapped longs. 6 million. 29 million. There are more shorts trapped here. They open shorts a lot here. Look CBD. This candle? No. They are not so much trapped. No, it's like weekend volume. Weekend volume is shit. Nothing, no. Perdón.
Pues mi móvil es una mierda, ya empieza a fallar por el frío sobre todo, se me muere todo el rato.
Borja, estoy en directo.
Ah, sí.
So yeah. And the guys that are here, they do you trade your own money or you trade prop firms? Okay. I don't trade yet. I'm in the learning phase. About to start. You go into the hard part, but I wish I learned this before. I wish I learned this type of trading before. Was really easy because before I was trading pure candles, and I was getting round trip everything. So before I was trading that type of trading style, and I learned my lesson, and order flow for me now is something that I really enjoy, and enjoy to trade and to look back what's happening. So it's okay. Look, they're being aggressive. Here also I put this is really good to see tape, to see what's happening like in the tape. Yeah, we are bouncing about BPOC. We are bouncing BPOC. We are not accepting BPOC, so we're going down. No more. No more. It's just price is not accepting going higher now. For now, that's why I'm. Sorry, my cat. For me now, today the day is done. I got my trade. We got a good reaction here. And this was good because this was a sweep from Monday. Stacked imbalance. We have this last one, but yeah, we could weak all this. That would be nice because we will weak a lot. We will get this triple bottom. Yeah, could be nice. I will set alarms on trading view. If we weak this. We weak this area. Be careful, eh? If we weak this, will be a really nice. We need to see reaction, but will be really nice to weak the 81 case. So I'm done for now. I'm gonna record this. I'm starting to stream. I don't wanna wait here. I'm gonna do some stuff, and I will do. I will stream voice chat if people want on Chroma. I don't know if you the guys that are here are all from Chroma. If you are not in Chroma, I really think it's a really good thing to guys to join Chroma, because there's a lot of good traders. You can learn everything. You have people trading all the day. They do setups every day. They analyze coins every day. They are really good people. Also, Follies, that is the owner, he's amazing guy. I've been following Follies like years and years before he did Chroma. I was in his streams with another name, but I know Follies a lot of years ago, and I've been following Follies. So it's really good. So I will be in Chroma voice chat at night before Asia opens to see how we have things for tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna close the stream. It's 1 hour of stream. I will be doing streams in YouTube and Chroma next week, and I'm preparing stuff for all Chroma members, so I bet you join. Okay, see you.